Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing famous Indian journalist Arnab Goswami's family. Arnab Goswami is an Indian journalist and a news anchor. Goswami is the editor-in-chief and managing director of the news channel Republic TV. He was born on 9th October 1973 in Guwahati, Assam, India. Arnab Goswami was born into an Assamese Brahmin family. His father, Manoranjan Goswami, is a retired colonel. His father also contested the general elections from Guwahati on behalf of the BJP but lost to Congress candidate Bhubaneswar Kalita. His mother's name is Suprabha Goswami. His grandfather, Rajanikanta Goswami, was a judge and a Bharati Jana Sangh leader and also an independence activist. Arnab Goswami is married to P.P. Goswami and the couple has 2 children. Arnab's sister is in Indian Defence and his brother-in-law is in Indian Defence Services. His uncle, Dinesh Goswami, was a union law minister for a brief period under the Vishwanath Pratap Singh government. In 1990, he started his career in journalism with the newspaper The Telegraph. It was the shortest career spell he ever had and left his job in less than a year. In 1995, Goswami relocated to Delhi and bagged his first job as a news anchor at NDTV 24/7. He worked as a news broadcaster at NDTV 24/7 for 3 years and later became the news editor there. Arnab hosted his own show on NDTV and even co-anchored a show with Rajdeep Sardesai on DD Metro channel. He won the Best News Anchor of Asia award in 2004 for his show titled News Night. In 2002, he launched his first book, Combating Terrorism: The Legal Challenge, which details all the difficulties in making laws against terrorists and terrorism. On 4th November 2020, he was arrested by the Raigad police in connection with abatement of suicide case. According to police, Mr. Goswami was being investigated for his alleged role in the death of an architect Anvay Naik, who designed his studio. Reportedly in May 2018, Mr. Naik and his mother were found dead at their home in Alibag, Maharashtra. According to Mr. Naik's wife, he had left a suicide note in which he blamed Mr. Goswami for his death. On the morning of 4th November 2020, Arnab was arrested in a joint operation by the Raigad police and the Mumbai police from his home in Mumbai. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.